As all of our Australian customers are aware, the Ford Falcon is a super popular vehicle down here in Australia and also in New Zealand. Not only are they popular, but they're a tough as nails platform for making big horsepower. So it's with much excitement that I introduce to you this direct plug-in ECU for the BA, BF and FG inline-6 Barra-powered Ford Falcon. So let's take a look inside the box. So first we have the USB key. We've got the software, wiring diagrams and base maps all on this. Now it's worth noting that this Falcon ECU uses the same ESP software that our Elite series ECUs use, so there's no need to learn a whole new software package. Next up, the ECU itself. The first thing you'll notice about it is its size. This ECU is physically larger than the Elite 2500 ECU. That's because it's a direct plug-in replacement for the OEM Ford ECU, so it has an identical footprint for the mounting holes as the Ford ECU does. Flipping it over, you'll notice the familiar three-way Ford-style ECU connector, allowing this ECU to plug directly into the OEM Ford harness. However, you will notice two additional connectors on the bottom of this case that the Ford ECU doesn't have. Firstly, there's a circular M5 connector. This connects to the USB cable found in the box for real-time communication with your laptop. And secondly, there's also a 34-pin auxiliary connector here. I'll let you know what magic this can do in just a moment. Continuing to look in the box, we have some replacement mounting hardware, a waterproofing cap for the USB cable, and a P-clip to retain the USB cable. We've also got a quick start guide and a wiring diagram, and we have the mating connector for the 34-pin auxiliary port. Okay, so let's talk about what this ECU can do and what magic the 34-pin connector holds. I'm going to start with the big picture and we'll drill down from there. Now obviously it's a plug and play ECU, so for the inline-6 engine we have 6 fuel injector outputs and 6 ignition outputs on the OEM connectors. It's worth noting that the Ford Barra engine does not have externally ignited ignition coils. Rather, the ignition drivers are built into the ECU. This functionality is retained. However, if you choose to replace the factory Ford coils with a CDI and CDI coils, that's totally fine as well. Just ensure the setup on the CDI is correct so the timing doesn't drift and you're good to go. Well, what if you want to run more than 6 injectors though? Say you've got an intake manifold that takes 12 injectors. Well, that's where the 34-pin auxiliary connector steps in. You have an additional 8 injector outputs on this connector that can be used to control a second set of staged injectors. Well, maybe you don't want to run 2 sets of injectors, but you want to run a couple of nitrous solenoids, or maybe a trans brake output, or some additional fans or shift lights, or whatever. These 8 outputs are fully programmable and can be used for any function you can think of. So while we're talking about the 34-pin connector, in addition to the 8 outputs, there's also 8 inputs available. 4 digital pulse inputs for things like wheel speed, flex fuel sensors, drive shaft RPM, that sort of thing. And 4 analog voltage inputs for things like pressure sensors and temperature sensors. And for those of you who are counting along at home, you're probably thinking, okay, there's 34 pins, but you've only explained what 16 do. What about the rest? Well, I'm glad you asked. One thing missing from the bottom of the ECU case is the familiar Deutsch DTM4 CAN connector. This is now pre-terminated into the 34-pin auxiliary connector, and for the first time you can run a 6-wire Bosch LSU 4.9 wideband O2 sensor directly into the Haltech ECU for onboard wideband O2 control. So for those of you wanting to run onboard wideband control, we also have the Bosch LSU 4.9 sensor kit available. There's also a 12 volt and a 5 volt power supply wire to supply power to your additional sensors, and a corresponding signal ground wire for sensor grounding. Now I know you're also wondering about transmission control. Well, the initial release of this ECU will have full support for manual transmissions in BA and BF, or 6-speed automatic ZF transmissions in the BF. This will be closely followed by full support of the 6-speed ZF automatic transmission in the FG. You're probably wondering what you can actually tune with this ECU, and the answer to that is, well, pretty much anything you like. To have full control of the fuel and ignition maps with short and long-term learning. You have full control of the variable cam timing. You have knock control, drive-by-wire throttle control, flex fuel, cruise control, closed-loop boost control. The full suite of race functions that you already love about Haltech products are in there. Things like launch control, anti-lag, multi-level engine protection strategies, and user-definable 5D tunings there, which allows you to set up tuning maps, corrections, and advanced functionality based on a limitless combination of sensor inputs and internally calculated values. There's also 2 meg of onboard data logging available. Plus, the factory Ford audio module maintains complete functionality. Well, the only thing left to tell you about is price. This ECU retails for $29.95 Australian dollars, including GST. If you want more information, please don't hesitate to give us a call, shoot us an email, or hit us up on any of our social media channels. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Matt from Haltech, and I'll see you next time.